Everybody likes that out of the shower intense freshness smell, but they can't always afford to pay that much money for the original fragrance. Now, you can get that with Duo by Fragrance World, and it's a fraction of the price of the OG, but a beautiful, stunning bottle with some great juice inside. You'll see on the opening, Fragrance World just makes very nice bottles and nice packaging. And of course, then this fragrance opens with sorbet, citrus, and it will then go down to a very nice aquatic note as well. Beautiful fragrance, nice, fresh, intense, out of the shower. Like I said, this is a very nice fragrance. The original for this fragrance is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense for men. You'll automatically know what the price for that would be. So for the fraction of the price, you can get Jour fragrance from Fragrance World. Very, very nice fragrance. Longevity and projection, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It lasts easily 4 to 5 hours on skin. You'll enjoy it. It will make you smell very fresh. Is this a make or break fragrance? This is definitely a decent make on the fragrance. I personally is not a massive fan of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense Man, but there's a lot of people out there, you guys, that likes it. So that's why I'm doing the review for you, because this is a great alternative to the original of Dolce & Gabbana. So yeah, please follow me for more great dupe reviews.